Netlify Review. A platform designed for developers that provides all the tools necessary to host a modern static website without a server. Connecting to a CDN can be a complex process. If you have your website hosted and want to boost its speed, you'll need to join a CDN service and provide your content through the CDN's network. Netlify does things differently. This developer-oriented, all-inclusive serverless platform combines building, launching, hosting, and a content delivery network into one service. There is no requirement to manage web servers, link your web hosting to a CDN, or establish complex caching regulations. Just make your website code or take advantage of the inbuilt content management system and Netlify will take care of everything else. Netlify makes the web development process easier by integrating with your workflow and automating complicated tasks. To begin a new project, Netlify will link to your Git repository. Whenever you push changes to the Git repository in the future, this service will automatically build and deploy the newly updated website that's on your main branch. Netlify can generate deploy preview URLs for each pull or merge request, and send notifications via Git comments or Slack to other team members. Furthermore, you can create as many versions of your website as desired with no restrictions on staging. Issues on the production site can be easily remedied by Netlify, which stores all previous versions of your website and allows you to quickly revert to a previous version when needed. Netlify has an automated deployment system that quickly deploys your updates. It automatically identifies changed files, uploads them to the content delivery network, and once all the files are accessible, it switches to the new website, all with no effort from you. By default, Netlify sites appear on a subdomain. To use your own domain, you can either register and manage it on Netlify or use one held by another registrar. Obtaining an HTTPS certificate is simple with Netlify. They offer their own Let's Encrypt certificate for free, or you can use your own if needed. You can create split tests with Netlify, which will direct your website traffic between two or more versions in the percentage you specify. Netlify offers A/B or multivariate testing at no cost, an ideal feature for understanding your visitor behavior when you adjust different elements of your website. Because Netlify is a serverless platform, you cannot install typical web and dev tools. However, Netlify's various functions, APIs, and plugins offer plenty of alternative options. An efficient forms system requires no back-end coding and is simple to use, connecting with over 1,000 applications. It can be used to populate Google spreadsheets, generate a Zendesk ticket, trigger a Gmail email, and set up a Salesforce lead, among other things. Netlify works seamlessly with popular platforms like WordPress, Drupal, and Shopify, so you can have the features you need, plus your website will be hosted by Netlify's own content delivery network. Netlify supports a wide range of development frameworks, including React, Next.js, Gatsby, Hugo, and Vue.js, as well as custom creations. With Netlify, you don't have to worry about trusting them for hosting your CDN. They use platforms such as Google Cloud, Amazon AWS, DigitalOcean, and Yandex to run their operations. Connecting a website to Amazon CloudFront typically requires creating multiple cache rules, in order to prevent out-of-date content from being stored. However, when using Netlify, all deployments instantly flush all caches around the globe, as well as replace any changed files. Edge handlers, which are JavaScript programs running on Netlify's servers, can extend the service and customize how content is delivered beyond default behavior. With pay-as-you-go commercial plans, you'll only be required to pay for the capacity and features that you use. Although this may appear reasonable, the numerous chargeable items that exist can be quite complicated to deal with. Netlify may provide a great number of features for developers, yet other alternatives are also available.